Ordering food in English shouldn't feel stressful. If you've ever panicked trying to order at a restaurant, this video is for you. We'll go step by step together so you can feel calm and confident next time you go out to eat. Speaking practice, full real-life experience. Let's imagine you walk into a restaurant. The host greets you and asks how many people are in your group. If you're alone, you can say, "Hi, can I get a table for one, please?" Then you can add, "Just me today." If you're with a friend, try this. "Hi, a table for two, please." Or if you're with a group, "We need a table for four, please." Sometimes, they'll ask where you want to sit. If you want to be indoors, you can say, "Inside is fine, thanks." Or if the weather's nice and you want to sit outside, "We'd love to sit outside, please." Now you're at your table, and you've had a look at the menu. The server comes over and asks if you're ready to order. If you are, here's a simple way to begin. "Yes, I'll have the cheeseburger with fries." Now let's add a drink to that. And a lemonade, please. Let's practice a few more full orders. Here's another one. "I'll take the chicken Caesar salad and a sparkling water." Want to start with something small to share? You can say, "We'd like to start with the nachos, please." Or, "Can we get an order of garlic bread to share?" If you need more time to decide, here's what you can say. "Can I have a few more minutes, please?" Or keep it relaxed with, "I just need a couple more minutes to decide." You might also want to ask for suggestions. Try this. "What do you recommend?" Or, "What's your most popular dish?" Let's say you want something a little healthier. Try this one. "I'll get the grilled salmon with vegetables." Now imagine you've ordered your meal, and the server checks if you want anything else. Here's a polite way to say you're good for now. "No, that's all for now, thank you." Or if you forgot something, you can say, "Actually, can I also get a side of mashed potatoes?" After the meal, you want to ask for the bill. Try this. "Can we get the check, please?" Or, "Could I have the bill when you get a chance?" At the end, it's always nice to say something kind. Here's a simple, polite phrase. "Everything was great. Thank you." And finally, as you leave, "Have a great day." Mini role-play practice. Let's try it all together. Now let's walk through a quick version of the whole experience. Just repeat each line after me. You walk into the restaurant. "Hi, a table for two, please." They ask, "Inside or outside?" "Outside would be great, thanks." After looking at the menu, you order. I'll have the spaghetti bolognese and an iced tea. Can we also get the bruschetta to start? They ask, anything else? No, that's it for now, thanks. You finish eating and ask, could we get the check, please? Then smile and say, everything was delicious. Thank you. You're done, and you sounded natural and confident. You just practiced ordering food in English from start to finish. From walking in, to placing your order, to asking for the check, we covered it all. If you want more real-life practice like this, check out the Speak With Me playlist on my channel. You'll find videos on ordering coffee, small talk, checking into a hotel, and much more. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe so you can keep speaking English with me every day. Leave a comment and tell me, what's your favorite meal to order at a restaurant? And share this video with a friend who's learning English too. You're doing amazing. Keep going. You've got this.